So I've just been enjoying a little bit of cleanup under the hood of this new Mach 1, and I just want to show you a couple of tips and things that I've been doing. Um, First off, I've cleaned up the valve covers, and on the 03s they're painted black, but on the 04 Mach 1s they're raw aluminum, and the terminators are actually powder coated. They look like they're the aluminum, but they're powder coated. But anyway, I cleaned those up just with some soapy water and a little bit of fast orange in a toothbrush. Just scrubbed all around here and cleaned this up all nice. And something about this 4-valve engine that I've always loved, and that I remember looking at these in the showroom brand new, was these bolts on the valve covers. I loved seeing these huge heads when the car was in the showroom, and they actually used to be kind of a brass color, but with heat they fade. But anyway, you can see back here, this is how dirty they were. Okay, that's what they looked like. And so I used a trick that I used with polishing coins. You get some hot sauce, Taco Bell hot sauce, or even ketchup sometimes. There's a little bit of acid inside. You get that and put it on a microfiber towel, which works the best. Just kind of put some on the tip there and stick your finger through tough right there and scrub on those bolts with some hot sauce, and that will polish them up. You can see I did this one, and that was just a quick go at it, but you can actually read, what's stamped on the bolt now instead of how dirty that it used to be. And so that's just something that I wanted to do to clean this up, because I've always liked the look of these valve covers with these bolts. Now with the fast orange, what I also did was I cleaned the raw aluminum on this intake, the C&L intake. You can see how nice it looks here. I did this area, and this is what it used to look like. And so that's just a